Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best iPhone 11 screen is probably one of the most crucial components of your device, as it's the gateway to your digital world. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of iPhone 11 screens, exploring what makes a great screen, and helping you find the perfect replacement or upgrade to keep your phone looking and functioning its best. Number 5. Ailun iPhone 11 XR Screen Protector. This screen protector is designed specifically for the iPhone 11 and XR, with a 6.1-inch display. It offers maximum protection against scratches, scrapes, and everyday bumps. It is a perfect fit for your phone. Due to the phone's rounded design, this tempered glass doesn't cover the entire screen, ensuring compatibility with most cases. The precise laser cut and 2.5D rounded edges make it a perfect fit. This design enhances the user experience. Enjoy a crystal clear view with 99.99% touchscreen accuracy. The high-definition clarity ensures that you can use the phone as if there was nothing there. It is very sensitive and easy to use. The hydrophobic and oleophobic coating resists sweat and oil residue from fingerprints. This means fewer smudges and a cleaner screen. It keeps the screen looking pristine. Installation is a breeze with the online video instructions. Simply remove dust and align it properly before applying. You'll have your screen protected in no time. What we like. This screen protector is designed with a case-friendly approach, ensuring it works seamlessly with your favorite phone case. It's also incredibly easy to install, with clear instructions to guide you through the process. If you're looking for a screen protector that prioritizes ease of use and compatibility, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The screen replacement was a perfect fit and the colors are vibrant. The screen works perfectly and the touch screen is very responsive. The screen looks exactly like the original. Number 4. SIBEITU iPhone 11 Screen and Camera Protector. This screen protector and camera lens protector are specifically designed for the iPhone 11, ensuring a perfect fit. It's not compatible with any other iPhone models, so make sure you have the right phone before you buy it. The screen protector is ultra-thin at only 0.33 mm, with over 99.99% transparency. This means it enhances your screen's visibility, maintaining the original HD clarity. You'll enjoy a clear and intuitive viewing experience. With 9H hardness, this protector is built to withstand scratches and impacts. The rounded edges maintain the original touch sensitivity, ensuring fast and accurate typing and smooth gaming. The camera lens protector, made of 9H tempered glass, protects the entire lens. The upgraded black night circle design allows for night shooting without interfering with the flash, preserving picture quality. The screen protector comes with a cleaning kit for easy, bubble-free installation. You can apply it without any residue. Enjoy your phone without worrying about damage. What we like. This product offers a complete protection solution, including a screen protector and a camera lens protector. The high transparency ensures your screen remains crystal clear, and the anti-scratch feature keeps it looking new. If you are concerned about protecting both your screen and camera lens, this is the ideal option. What people say. The screen protectors fit perfectly edge-to-edge with full coverage, and the clarity is excellent. I honestly forget it's even there. Installation was super easy. Each protector went on smoothly with no air bubbles at all, and the alignment tools made it almost foolproof. The camera lens protectors are another huge plus. They fit snugly, don't affect picture quality, and give me peace of mind knowing the lenses won't get scratched. Number 3. SIMDOG iPhone 11 Screen Replacement Kit. Is your iPhone 11 screen cracked or damaged? Don't worry, you don't need to buy a new phone. This kit allows you to easily replace the screen yourself. We provide a step-by-step video tutorial and manual to guide you through the process. Watch the video first to familiarize yourself with the steps, making the installation quick and easy. Worried about quality? This screen is made with 5A quality, the same as repair shops use. You'll be surprised by the results after installation. This replacement screen is specifically designed for the iPhone 11, 6.1-inch, models A2111, A2223, and A2221. It fixes all screen problems, offering high color saturation and a wide color gamut. Each screen undergoes strict double QC testing to ensure it's in perfect condition. If you have any issues, please contact us directly. The screen is durable and ready to use. The package includes the replacement screen, repair tools, a tempered glass screen protector, and a screw mat. Please note that the front camera, earpiece, and sensors are not included and need to be transferred from your old screen. What we like. This product provides a complete screen replacement kit, allowing you to fix a broken screen yourself. The installation process is made easy with step-by-step video guides. If you have a damaged screen and want a cost-effective solution, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The screen is crystal clear, responsive, and feels just like the original. The installation was straightforward, and it works perfectly. Screen has great color and depth. Install came with everything you needed for screen install with magnet to put your pieces on, so you don't mess them up, unless you have a defiance disorder and just have to try and outsmart the supplied most efficient way to replace screen. Do not try and improve on install. Number 2. iPhone 11 Screen Replacement Kit. This screen replacement is exclusively designed for the iPhone 11. It's crucial to verify your phone model before you proceed. This ensures a perfect fit and function for your device. This kit includes everything you need for the repair, saving you both time and money. You'll need to transfer some components from your old screen, but the kit eliminates the need for extra purchases, making your phone look brand new. The installation process is straightforward with our step-by-step instructions. Remember to disconnect your battery cable before you start. If you have any issues, please reach out to us. We offer a 12-month warranty for non-human factors. You can get a full return or replacement without any questions asked. Each item is tested twice to ensure it works perfectly before shipping. We provide high-quality products at a compatible price with the best service. Buying from us means you're buying with confidence, knowing you're getting a great value. What we like. This screen replacement kit includes all the necessary tools for a full repair, saving you time and money. The installation is straightforward, and the product comes with a warranty. If you're looking for a comprehensive and affordable solution, this is the perfect option. What people say. Came with everything I needed to do the screen replacement. Everything works great, Face ID is intact. Very easy install, all the tools helped immensely. Number 1. AVOAR iPhone 11 Privacy Screen Protector. This screen protector is specifically designed for the iPhone 11 6.1-inch model. It ensures a perfect fit without any compatibility issues. This product is made to protect your phone. Keep your personal information safe with this privacy screen. Only the person directly in front of the screen can see what's displayed. It keeps your messages and data secure. The included camera protector safeguards your lens from scratches and drops. The design allows for normal flash function at night. This ensures your photos and videos remain high quality. Enjoy a crystal clear display with 99.99% HD clarity. The 9H hardness tempered glass is scratch resistant. It restores the original sensitivity of your device. This screen protector is designed to be case friendly. It provides maximum coverage without interfering with your phone case. It offers full screen protection, excluding the edges. What we like. This screen protector offers privacy protection, ensuring your screen's content is only visible to you. It also includes a camera lens protector and maintains HD clarity. If you value your privacy and want comprehensive protection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The screen is very bright and clear. The screen is the perfect size. The screen works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.